welcome to row 200. So Z is equal to A plus B minus C minus D, where A, B, C, D are distinct values from 3, 6, 8, 9. How many values can A, B, C, D be assigned such that Z is more than 3? So let's take A and B are positive and C and D are negative, minus, subtracted. So if I take highest value for A and B, which is 8 and 9, 17, C and D is 6 plus 3, which is 9. If you subtract it, it is obviously more than 3. Now, let's take the other values. I mean, the next highest. So it could be 9 and 6, 15. C plus D can be 8 plus 3, 11. Difference is 4. More than 3, 4. That is 8. But if you take the next highest, that is 8 plus 6 and 9 plus 3. This becomes 14, this becomes 12, difference is 2. So this doesn't satisfy. So only 2 cases. Each case you can arrange A and B and C and D in 4 ways. 2 ways of arranging A, B, 2 ways of arranging C, D. So 4 ways out here, 4 ways out here. Because 2 ways of arranging A, B in this case, 8, 9, 9, 8. 2 ways of arranging C, D out here, 3, 6, 6, 3. So 2 into 2, 4 ways. 4 ways out here. So total will be 8 ways. C option. A train of length 270 meters traveling from point A to point B. A bird traveling at a speed of 50 meters per second starts flying from front of a train. So let's say this is a train. So bird starts flying from front of a train at 50 meters per second. And the train speed is 40 meters per second. So when bird is going from front to back, both the train and the bird are going in opposite direction. So relative speed becomes 50 plus 40, which is 90 meters per second. And reaches the back of a train, immediately flies in front of a train. So that means now they're going in the same direction. So after reaching the back, when it wants to go to front of a train, they're going in the same direction. So relative speed will be 50 minus 40, which is 10 meters per second. So to travel 270 meters, the total time taken is 270 upon 90 to go front to back, and 270 upon 10, that is distance upon speed, will give you the time. This is for going for front to back. This is going back to front. So total time taken, if you look at it, becomes 3 plus 27, which becomes 30 seconds. So in 30 seconds, how much will a train travel? Distance travel is speed into time, which is 40 meters per second into 30 seconds, which will be 1200 meters. Distance will be speed into time, that will give you 1200 meters. C option. A regular polygon has 24 sides. How many diagonals of different lengths can be? So 24 sides. What? So let's say these two are the opposite, diagonally opposite. So 24 sides will be 24 points. So on one side there will be 11 points. I mean, if you remove these 2 points, the remaining there are 22 points divided equally at 11 points and 11 points on either side. Now from this point, apart from the next point, which is adjacent point, apart from that, all the other points you can draw diagonal. So which means you can draw 10 diagonals. Apart from the immediate next point, you can draw diagonals to all the other 10 points. So 10 diagonals plus this big diagonal, 11 diagonals. The diagonals on the other side will be same as the diagonal of the first side. The length will be same. I want different lengths, right? Diagonal on the other side will be same as the diagonal of length on the first side. So total 11 diagonals of different sizes. So that means 11 will be the answer. Okay, 11 diagonals of different lengths. So 11. 2 shirts are given free for buying 4 trousers. The net discount on entire purchase comes to 20%. Let me assume that the price of 2 shirts plus 4 trousers, let's say, is 100. Okay, but he gets a discount of 20%. That means the discount is because of 2 shirts, which is not paid. So the cost of 2 shirts will become 20. The cost of 4 trousers will become 80. If I assume the total cost is 100, he gets a discount of 20%. 20% is because of 2 shirts, which he gets free. So 2 shirts is 20, 4 trousers is 80. So each shirt becomes 10 and each trouser becomes 20. Now next, if 2 trousers are given free for a purchase of 6 shirts, so 2 trousers of 20 price plus 6 shirts of 10, total becomes 100. Now we are giving 2 trousers free. That means we are giving 40 discount or 40% discount. On 100, you are giving 40 discount. He's only paying 60. So discount is 40%. C option. Average of 5 numbers is 32. So total will be 32 into 5, 160. 3 are added. Result is the average of is an integer. So 160 plus the sum of the 3 divided by now 8 numbers should be an integer. Now 160 upon 8 is an integer 20 plus sum upon 8. That means sum of the 3 numbers should be also be a multiple of 8. What is the sum of the 4 numbers? If I add the 4 numbers, 30 plus 20 plus 40 plus 20 is 112. If you look at 112 is a multiple of 8. 112 is a multiple of 8. Only if you remove a multiple of 8 will the resultant be a multiple of 8. 112 is a multiple of 8. Only if you remove a multiple of 8, you will get a multiple of 8. That means only 40 is a multiple of 8 among this. So if you remove 40, you will get a multiple of 8. So number which is not added is 40. C option. Thank you.